Okay, take your card. Take your card. Take your card. What animal?
Lizard.
Anybody remember the name?
Iguana.
Iguana. Iguana. Hard. That's hard. How do you spell iguana? Spell. I.
G. U.
Iguana. That's hard. Iguana. It's like elephant. Hard, right? Long words. Okay. Choose a card. What one do you have?
Owl.
Owl. Owl. What are the letters in owl?
O-W-L.
Owl. O-W-L. Good. Choose a card. Choose a card. What is it?
Mouse.
Mouse. Mouse. How do you spell mouse?
M-O-U-S-E.
Mouse. Very good. Choose a card. Which one do you have? What is it? What animal?
Fish.
Fish.
No.
Fish. Fish. And the last one. Oh, what are the letters in fish?
F-I-S-H.
F-I-S-H. What's the last one?
Alligator.
Alligator. That's a long one. It's hard. Is it hard?
Yeah. No.
What are the letters?
A-L-I-G-A-N.
R. R. We missed the R. Okay. So say a bear. Like this. A bear.
A lion. An ant.
And. Say an. Ant.
An
No, this is an elephant. A tiger. And
An iguana.
an owl. A mouse. A fish. An
alligator.
Do you know why or an? Why? What are vowels? Vowels. Tell me the vowels.
A-E-I-O-U.
A-E-I-O-U. Everything else is a consonant. Vowels. Vowel or consonant? Vowel. An. Vowel or consonant? Vowel. Vowel. An. Vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant. Consonant. Vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant. Vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
Vowel. Vowel. And. Yes. And. Okay. You want to have a race? You want to have a race? Races are fun. You have to tell me A or an fast. Okay? A or an fast. We'll put the I in iguana back on there. Tell me the A or an, but fast. Who wants first? Aaron, sit down. Sit down. A or an? Or an? Or an? Or an? Or an? Yes. Or an? Yes. Or an? Yes. Or an? Remember, is a vowel. And. Yes. Or an? And. Very good. Or an? Consonant or vowel? Yes. Or an? Or an? Very good. Who thinks they can go faster? Faster. Rosie, go.
A. No.
Or an? Say a bear, a lion,
A bear, a lion, an ant.
An ant.
ant. A elephant. A tiger.
An.
An iguana.
An.
An owl.
Or
A
an.
mouse.
Or an.
A fish. An alligator.
Oh, I think Aaron beat you. Lily, go.
A bear. A lion. Or
an.
An ant.
Yes.
An ant.
An.
An elephant. And a tiger.
Or an.
No. And I iguana. An owl.
Or an.
Mouse. A fish.
Or an.
An elephant.
See if you can be the fastest. Fastest, go.
A bear, a lion, an ant, an elephant, a tiger, an iguana, an owl, a mouse, a fish, an alligator.
Whoa, very good. You guys are so fast. You want to have a race? Come here, stand here. No, just two. Stand here. Now you have to do it together, fast. Ready? Go.
A bear, a lion, an ant, an elephant,
Or an.
an elephant,
Yeah.
a tiger, an iguana, an owl, a mouse,
Tricky.
a fish, an alligator.
And alligator. Hard or easy? Hard or easy?
Hard.
You two, your turn. Come race. Okay, ready? Go.
Bear, a bear,
Bear.
a lion, an ant,
Good,
an
keep going.
elephant,
An elephant.
a tiger, a lizard,
Iguana.
iguana.
An iguana. Consonant.
an
An owl. A mouse.
a fish,
A fish.
an
And alligator. Good. Please sit down. Okay, very good. Now you're gonna do this worksheet, okay? The worksheet, what do you put here?
Your name.
Name on top. Write your name, and then you're going to put a bear, an ant, or an. If it's a consonant, it has If it's a vowel,
An.
Yes, A-E-I-O-U is an, okay? Very good.